Hey guys, how are you doing? Today we're making my blue ribbon pumpkin pie. The recipe is downloadable and printable for your convenience. Here's a quick summary. To make the filling, we add all ingredients together, blend them up, and that's it. Brush the crust with egg wash, fill it and bake for 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, then 35 to 50 minutes at 350. It's that simple, but here are a few notes I have for you. When preheating the oven, place an extra large heavy bottom metal sheet in the very bottom rack. And if you're using an aluminum pie pan like I am, oh yeah, a crispy bottom crust will likely happen. Yum! Now only do this if the can taste bother you, or you just like a little more sweet. We add an additional of up to 1/4 cup of sugar. Sweet taste, a little extra of it can definitely distract and overwhelm the bad taste. My blue ribbon pumpkin pie cannot go without my super flaky buttery pie crust. It's easy to make just right on my channel. Now you want to keep the unbaked crust cold in the fridge until the filling is ready to keep it in good shape. Brush the crust with egg wash before adding the filling so that we don't poke the brush into the filling, then spread it on the crust. But if you do, the pie will still taste amazing. Once the pie in the oven, if you're in the mood for something pretty like you are, this is how to do it. Use the dough edge of the knife and keep the pie strap in the fridge until now for easier handling. Cracks on the filling are expected, but these leaves are here to cover them up. Perfect. The pie may sweat a little. Perfectly normal, but you can clear it by plotting it with paper towel. This pie contains eggs, so it should be kept in the refrigerator and no longer than 5 days. Final note, if you like the video, the recipe, please help keeping my small channel alive with like, comment, and share this video on your social media. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. You have a great day, okay? Bye bye.